Feel like your days disappear, but you're not sure where the time went? In this episode of Thrive in 5, I'll show you how to do a quick, no stress time audit to spot time drains and uncover hidden hours that you can use to focus, grow, and breathe again. Let's dive into today's tool, the time audit. This is great for life and business. If you've ever said there's just not enough time or where did today even go, this is for you. A time audit shows you exactly how you're spending your time, where your energy is leaking, and how to reclaim your day without waking up earlier or working later. Here's how to do it. Step 1, track your time for a full day. Set a timer, use your notes app, a spreadsheet, a printable. Jot down everything you're doing every 30 to 60 minutes. Don't overthink it, just write it down. You're not grading yourself, you are gathering data. Even one day of honest tracking will give you some eye-opening insights. Step 2, highlight your biggest time drains. Once your day is mapped out, go back and circle or underline the following things. Look for distractions. So these are scrolling, checking notifications. Look for repeated tasks that could be batched. Look for time spent deciding what to do next. These are all areas that are silently eating away at your time and energy. Step 3, reclaim that time with intention. Now that you can see where the drains are, ask yourself, what can I delete, delegate, or delay? What can I automate or batch? What time block can I create to protect my focus? Even reclaiming 30 to 60 minutes a day adds hours every week that you can use for needle-moving tasks. Reclaiming 30 to 60 minutes a day adds up to hours every week that you can use for needle-moving tasks, rest, or whatever fills you up. This works because you can't improve what you can't see. The time audit gives you clarity and control, and it helps you stop blaming yourself for not doing enough when the real problem is just unclear time use. So if you are ready to take action and do a time audit, just a recap of what you need to do. You're going to track your time for a full day in 30 to 60 minute chunks. You're going to look for time drains, which are distractions, indecision, or scattered tasks. Then you're going to use what you find to redesign your day with clarity and focus. Busy isn't the same as productive. Let your audit show you what's really possible with the time you already have. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving, and remember, you've got this.